Today we're cruising around Darwin getting a couple quotes from crash repairers for the ding in the front of the car.
Watch me go guts off of this because I think I'm a bit good trying to video.
You're wearing jocks today?
Yeah, I'm wearing jocks today.
Oh, good.
Not going to get a nice show. But it's only accessible by boat or helicopter. Hey guys, welcome back to another video. We're still house sitting in Darwin, which has been really amazing, and luckily our family were able to come up over New Year's, so we got to see them, do some touristy things with them that we've been hanging out to do for a while.
Yeah, Bryce goes to a place called Goat Island as well, which is only accessible by boat or helicopter, and unfortunately we do have some issues with TJM when getting our new snorkel fitted.
But one great thing is that our air conditioner finally turned up and we were able to fit that together. I had a great TA helping me put that in, so yeah, that was pretty exciting. Finally got some cool air in the van. So
we hope you enjoy the video. In Darwin here, they've got the easiest ways to get around on these little scooters. So it's $1 to start them, and then it's like 38
cents a minute after that. So
super cheap.
If you've got anywhere uphill that you want to go, definitely get one because it saves you so much energy and you don't rock up as sweaty either.
Yeah, and we're going out for dinner tonight with Bryce's parents, and I reckon we're going to hire scooters again for like the 3rd time today.
Yes.
Oh,
how cool is this? Going 2 up on a scooter.
I got nothing to hold on to.
I got you.
Yeah.
Hey, you at the markets this morning? Happy New Year! Look at us go. Scoot, scoot!
Hey, we're leaving the service area. We should head back or power will be cut off.
Oh no. She's died on me again. So this morning we're about to drop the car off at TJM for the long-awaited snorkel upgrade. After being in Kununurra for a while, we found that there was quite a few water crossings once you start getting up north of Australia. So it's the last day of not having a snorkel. Nearly got caught out a couple times going through water that we probably shouldn't have been going through, but shouldn't be a problem anymore.
Hey.
Time to go drop it off.
We're sitting in TJM's at the moment. Just been talking to the guys we got here to pick up the car. Apparently they had a little slip with the hole saw and there's some paint and stuff missing. We haven't seen how bad it is yet, but I knew something like this would happen.
Yeah, so we'll wait and see how bad it is, and
might be getting
keep you posted.
Might be getting a hefty discount.
Yeah, this is bullshit. Should have just done it myself.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, we'll see how bad it is.
Yeah.
What a joke. We've just come out to see the damage, which they already told us the trainee was doing our car. And we've got a nice scratch, just as big as my finger. Like, I understand we've got an older car and stuff, but that doesn't mean that you can treat it like shit. There was like new cruisers sitting here before, absolutely immaculate. I bet you they didn't let the trainee touch that one. So anyway, after a bit of negotiating, because they didn't really want to help us out at all, which was a load of crock, we're just paying for the snorkel. I'm not paying for installation, and we're going to get this repaired. But the problem is, like, everything's shut over Christmas and New Year's, so we're going to be here waiting another maybe 2 weeks to get anything done. We're at the Crocodylus Park today in Darwin. It's just been peeing down with rain, so we're looking highly attractive.
It's nice and humid and sweaty at the moment.
So hot.
But there's some really cool stuff here. We got to feed some crocodiles before, which was really fun.
Yeah, and hold a baby crocodile.
Yeah.
And my little brother got to hold a snake, which is pretty cool. Yeah, it's relatively good price to get in here for everything that they offer.
There's monkeys, there's lions, there's few kangaroos, dingoes, all of that. So it's a really cool, interesting place to come down and have a look.
Yeah.
A little bit.
Be careful your sunglasses on your head or
Yeah.
He was hungry. He hardly even put it over. That's what I mean. Yeah. So quick.
Yeah.
That is a good height. Okay. Yep. Like that. Yep. Come on.
Come on, mate. Just tease him a little, Chelsea.
Yep.
Hey, nearly.
Oh, it's alright. Come back for it. Well done.
Nice work. It's so wet down here today. We've had a heap of rain overnight, and as you can see, it's flowing through the middle of the golf course. So this is the fairway. We're out in the rough here and a bit of water around. But what they do is, in a few of the waterways around the golf course, they've released a heap of barramundi and tagged them, and you can get vouchers for various things throughout Palmerston. So it's a good little incentive for getting people out fishing in the ponds around the place. I think it's cool. Thought we'd take the dog for a walk, come check out the river flowing.
Yeah, it's going to be crocodiles.
Yeah, so they say don't go through any flowing water, because when it's flowing like this, some of the crocodiles can get washed around and move to different spots. Got to take dog selfies.
It's all go here today. Bryce is taking off the old legs and putting some fresh new ones on. We did this to our old van as well that we used to have, an old Windsor, and the other legs, the drop down ones, make so much difference. Have you got the other ones at that?
No, not the new one. I was thinking, depending on how hard these are to get off, I can always just take the actual leg off and that bit out. And because the new one's going to bolt on this bit here anyway.
Okay.
I'll see how easy it is to cut off.
Yeah.
If it cuts off alright, then I'll keep it. If it doesn't, then I'll just fucking do that. I reckon I'm going to have to leave this one on, eh?
Why?
Because I can't actually get to that.
Oh.
I can get to that one, I can't get to that one.
Oh.
And I might be able to get to that one if I drop this down.
Oh yeah.
But
just do the lower bit, you mean?
Yeah, I might just take that off and fuck it off.
Yeah.
That's not good.
Hey, that's
all
the last
four
one.
legs done. First leg installed. We're rich now. We're fancy people.
Every time, are you?
No, I'll have the drill for that. I'm pretty lazy. How good?
Oh, that looks so much better. Yes, all four legs are done, and just in time before the rain hits. Had some massive cracks of thunder over us. Time for a quick swim.
Sounds good to me.
Cool off. Thank you. This morning we have just arrived at the Spectacular Jumping Crocodile Cruise. It's on the Arnhem Highway on your way to Kakadu. So we've got 11 AM tour we're just hanging around for now.
Yep, just waiting around, so it's going to be cool. Going to see some Crocs eat some chickens or something, I hope.
Yeah, might hopefully get Bryce to feed them.
Yeah, it'll be cool. Also, we've just seen that Shepherd, who did the Darwin New Year's Eve show, he's actually here, and I think he's going to be on the same tour as us. How about that?
Much better. Is there a lot around that we can't see? Typically, the answer to that is going to be yes. If you spent an hour out here on the water in the tinny. So, general rule of thumb for every crocodile. Where do they live? Yeah.
So today I've left Chelsea behind and I've got Mum, Dad and Ken, and he's taking us out in his boat. We've actually come out to Goat Island. So it's a little island just out of on the Adelaide River. So there's a pub out here, there's a bit of a hotel thing, but it's only accessible by boat or helicopter. What they do is they run helicopter tours out here, or you can hire boats, or if you're lucky enough to know a local with a boat, buzz you out here and you can get a feed, and then on your way back have a bit of a flick and see what you can catch. This place just looks so tropical. Just a real little hidden gem. Have a look at this. He's after your beer, Ken. He's after your beer.
What's his name?
Fred.
Fred. Original.
Hey Fred.
There's actually a crocodile just hanging out just in here. We fed him a big hunk of chicken just before. So good thing they put the warning signs down. There's that crocodile just here with its mouth open, just hanging out. So yeah, this is Goat Island. Come here for a quick pint. He does burgers and food and stuff, but yeah, pretty cool little place. Yep, ready when you are. Yep, good, Rick.
Yay, the car's finally back from TJM's. So they fixed it today. Only took the one day, which was really surprising, but really good because it's our only car. Oh yeah. I think the colour's like slightly different, but I don't know, I'm pretty happy with that. Alright, cheers TJM for fixing your screw up.
So Christmas has come a little bit late. Hey Chelsea, come have a look at your Christmas present.
I know what it is.
Yeah, check this out. Gotta do more washing.
You need to clean your work clothes, that's what I need to do. Because it's sweaty and disgusting every day when you get home.
Yeah, because I'm hard working out there in the weather while you're just living it up. Nah, I thought this would be good for Chelsea. Save her back a little bit.
Nah,
Yeah.
we both do the washing. Bryce is actually pretty good.
I actually do most of the washing, to be honest.
Well, now you won't. Last time he did most of the washing because we did it in a bucket and it just killed your body.
I'll stop with you, I'll pour it out.
Okay. Oh, fancy.
Check this out.
Wow. Really stepping up in life, aren't we?
They're real fancy now, look at that.
Yeah. Oh, sick. They're actually pretty big.
Yeah.
Wait, you don't put your clothes in there, do you?
No.
Oh, good.
Put your clothes in there.
Oh, sick. So this is a Devanti 4.5 kilo. We were looking at the 3 kilo, but I don't know, I think it would have just been too small, so we thought we'd go up a size. Nice. All right, it's the first time using the new washing machine. I'm way too excited for this.
This is great.
Just pour a bit of water in. We've only got a little bit in here at the moment just for a tester. And look at her go. We're back at the van. We're back at the Free Spirit Park here in Darwin, and we're just opening up the new aircon.
New aircon ready to go. It's my job this morning to get it in and done before the rain gets here.
Yeah, Bryce has just been watching the weather and the radar. It doesn't look like it's going to rain in the next few hours, but yeah, we're probably going to get the standard afternoon rain here in Darwin. And I want an aircon tonight, so let's get this bad boy in.
Put a couple extras on the flat corners.
How's the skylight? Hello.
Hey there. How's it going?
You wearing jocks today?
Yeah, I'm wearing jocks today.
Oh, good.
Not going to get a nice show.
I don't think the people want to see that.
What do you mean?
Maybe some of them. Want to get it?
No.
That's
Ready?
fine.
Ready?
Yep. Oh, I'm just going to sweaty hand. Okay, you now do your thing and I'll just make sure.
Hold that.
Oh, we are so happy to get rid of this piece of shit. But now we got a pretty new Dometic one. Might be able to see it from there, but I'll take you inside and I'll show you how good it is. It's only been in for 20 minutes and the van is just beautiful temperature.
Just as we finished fitting the aircon, the awning guy came up to replace our awning. So it was Paul from Mobile Caravan Repairs in Darwin. He's fantastic, really helpful, got it sorted straight away for us. So we've had a big day, we've put the aircon in, thanks to Chelsea's help, getting it up on the roof.
Yep.
Between us, we got it up there, yeah, done well. Had the awning done, got new legs on. What else have we done? Checker plate.
Yeah, it's
and
a changed van.
We're getting some wheel spats organised to replace them. So we're leaving here with just about a brand new van. We've given it a bit of a makeover.
Yeah, looks pretty and new. Thanks to everyone for watching yet another video. If you are enjoying our content, please subscribe to the channel and hit that like button. We are trying to upload more regularly now, so we'll see you next time.